Hello. Hi. This here's my stimulus money table saw. I love it. I built this a couple of days ago. Table saw sled. Sticks on there. Goes back and forth. Nice and easy. I'm gonna show you how I built this in 1 minute. Starting now.
Build that sled. Tap and measure. Cut it to the length of the table saw. Making a lip, one lip at a time. Attach tracks so that it slides on the table saw. When you make that vertical cut, first take out the riven knife.
Make a vertical cut, and then a 45-degree cut. It's gonna be real functional, making those clamps, making your life better. Table saw craft.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I sure enjoyed making it. Oh, having a competition. Who can send me the best name for this workbench gets, whatever the fuck. 1, 2, 3 bars. 1, 2, 3 bars. You get them for free. I send them to you somehow. Anyway, hope you like it. Hope you know how to build it.